Okay guys, what we have here is a palm tree that we transplanted here about 2 to 3 years ago, and it's gone downhill ever since. Our seed-grown palm trees are absolutely thriving, but the problem is there's root competition with these 120-foot tall arbutus trees, and you can see this Trachycarpus palm is declining. So dry, I've actually neglected it. So what I'm going to do, take the chainsaw, and I'm going to take the chainsaw to it. I'm going to cut it down to hopefully live tissue and hopefully encourage some growth with this thing. We'll see. I'll put this back here so you can see. There we go. Start this up and see what we can do. I know it's harsh taking a chainsaw to a palm tree, but sometimes it has to be done. Only time will tell. I'm not doing anything here, so it's hard to tell if there's live tissue in there. Too early. Anyway, there's the crown of a palm tree, and we'll see how it does. Stay tuned for updates on this chainsaw Trachycarpus palm tree. All right, so that's what the end, that's what the center looks like right there. We'll see if it starts pushing, then it's alive. If it doesn't push, it's dead, and I'm going to rip it out and put some of our own in there. Those were planted as seedlings. Look at them, they're thriving. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos here on Banana J SSI. That actually wasn't too tough to do because I want this thing to grow. Cheers.